Hello, this is Mikado, the Funnel Genius, and here I'm actually working on something for my real estate company here, putting together one of these contact cards, and I decided to try something pretty cool, and I'm going to show you what I did. So, um, usually you get these contact cards, and they just you can click things, you can do things, right? Whatever. There might even be a button there to download the contact card. But I wanted to make it so that if you just go to the page, it will automatically download the card, the contact card for you. And so let me first show you what I did to make that happen. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, my phone here. And here we go. All right, so you should be seeing my screen any moment now. There we go. All right, so what I did was I came in to my contact, or in this case to the Funneltopia contact, and what I did was I then said share contact and select what you want to do, what you want to share. And from here, I saved to file and went ahead and saved that there. Now we're going to jump back out of this over to here. So from here, I uploaded that into Google, and here's the card that I grabbed. So then you come in here, you're going to share it, click the share button, make sure that it says anyone with the link can access it. You come and download this. And where is there it is. So then there's this site right here, and you just come and paste, and I'll pop this in the video thing there. You just cut and paste this. I'll restart this so it's blank, right? Paste this here, and oops, I grabbed the direct link. There we go. You're gonna grab that. Then you're gonna copy this, and there's a snippet of code that I had ChatGPT write for me. I think it's this version right here. And you'll just replace the information here and the information here with yours. So you'll replace the link here, and you'll replace the name, basically your name right here. And then you can change the time. This is the amount of time that you would spend, that like it would delay. So in this case, 3,000 equals 3 seconds. So when I came in here and updated this, I actually changed this to 500. And let's say I wanted to use this new link that I just got, right? I could just paste that link, and it's actually the same link. Right, so I'd paste that in here, and then I could change the name here. So I could change Mikado Realtor, right, as an example. And I go ahead and save that. Now, what's going to happen is when I come to this page, it's automatically going to download that card for me. And I'm actually going to pop this up on my phone so you can see what that looks like on the phone here. So let's go ahead and share my screen again. And I'm going to paste the link that I just copied. And boom, there it is, right? So it's got the whole profile, and now we have this. And if I didn't already have myself in my phone, it would give me the option to save in the top right corner there. I can also scroll all the way down, and I can then update my existing contact. The cool thing is now I can come in here and I can have all my buttons here that people can click. So not only can they save it every time they come, and I just refreshed it, so it's gonna pop that up again. So every time that they come to the page, it's gonna pull up my contact information. And when they close it out, or they save it, or they do whatever they're gonna do with it, then it's going to display all of the other things that that I have within my within this page, right? So I can have all the different links, all the resources, everything that I want right here, and everything is there. So hopefully that's been helpful and you guys can take something from this. Check out the links in the comments for the code and for the link to be able to convert your card into a V card.